Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog or very special. And guys, it's all morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here guys, please guys, subscribe, share my videos, comment, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. And guys, in case you find my videos have some ads guys, please watch till the end. You know, if you watch my ads, full length of my videos, that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official at the same time. And by watching my video guys, try to imagine this month we dig the borehole. So before I left, let me show you that borehole. Even I went to the Nyabohanse, but off camera I bought the rope, like manila rope, to pull up the water. I see my African mom from other side. I think you can't see them, so let's go. And you see my mama, that's my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my cousin guys. Wow. So technically maybe next month, we are approaching to the month of March, maybe I'll buy the blocks for this house guys, you know. So but it's by God's grace, man. This month we have the borehole. Oh, baby calf is grazing here. Wow. So let me see my mama. This is my house right here. Mom. Hey. Let me see my mama right here. I'm telling you guys, in the morning, oh my God, we are fetching water right here. You see the rope? I went to Nyabohanse, I bought this rope, and it's 3 of them, and one rope goes to 100. Like 3 of them goes to $3. 3 USD. This is water that I fetch right here. You see, big basin, bucket, and this one here. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You're good?
I am good.
Actually, guys, my mama came from the farm right now. So, mommy, I'm heading to Border Town. See you later, mom.
Bye.
Yeah, guys. So, imagine by watching my videos, I decide this month, let me construct the borehole or to dig the borehole. Maybe next month guys, let me see what is next, you know. So I decided to have water on the ground to use on the toilet right there. Wow. So let's go. And I harvest this, you see. Let me tell you guys one thing. When you dig your borehole and you find these stones like this white one, you almost approach water. I'm telling you, that is the technique. So today, no more motorbike. I'm trying to make exercise, guys. Wow. This house one day, guys, by God's grace, this house one day, I'll demolish it down because of the space and everything. Maybe if our farm could go or our land go to other side, I could build my mama house from here to other side, left this house. But because of the house, and because of the space, I mean, we demolished the house. We're supposed to demolish the house. Guys, I hope you're ready for this vlog. Watch till the end. And today, on my title suggest, it's my my road trip to Border Town. Road trip to Border Town, from my village to Border Town. Maybe it depends. But I'm riding the bicycle. So maybe I was talking this and this. People didn't understand. My bike I left on the other side. I think right there, guys, you can see a bicycle right there. When I'm going there, I'll show you guys. And I remember, me, I'm just brand this land to look for the customer. It's under sale. This one here, it's full, like it's 1 hectare, and maybe you can, the owner needs money and they can sell you with these trees here. There is a time I made a videos, so I don't want to talk too much of the land because I'm just like passing and then say, oh, this land is under sale, you know. So guys, to be honest, let me go that way and then I'll come to meet with my bicycle. Today my videos is somehow crazy. For the first time, Hello Baby riding a bicycle from my home to border town. Actually, we went for the small issues, and let me tell you guys, in my pocket here I have some like a liquid to put for the shock up. This one here, maybe it's a shock absorber fluid inside here. So I'm heading to border town, so let me keep it, guys, you know, nothing to be hide. Actually, my videos, it's raw and uncut, no editing, no nothing, guys. Me, I'm telling you the way it is. And guys, in case you're watching these videos, please go and subscribe to Dave Jr. I appreciate it, man. Love is for free. I'm telling you guys, at this moment, love is for free. Go and check Dave Jr. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And also check out Brother Dagi. I really appreciate, you know. We are 3 firefighter. 3 firefighter. David Jr., Brother Dagi, and I. We just keep flowing with the vibe to the end. Imagine, we have a stone here. You can sit on these beautiful stones and relax. Like breathing fresh air from these trees here. Guys, I'm telling you. My bike is right there. You see right there. And then I'll ride from here up to border town. It's a crazy moment, but I'll try to manage to ride slowly. In Swahili said pole pole. Pole pole. At my slow speed. Pole pole means slowly. Slowly, guys. Man, I'm telling you, on today's videos, it's a mega videos ever. You will see how I'm running videos up to border town. Maybe I will be, one day I'll be cyclist riding a bicycle. Initially, back years, I was riding a bicycle, but unfortunately, guys, to be honest, I got an accident, so I decided now, you know what, I don't want to ride bicycle, but God opened the door. Big shout out to Monkia, guys. To be honest, he bought for me a bicycle. No, he bought for me a motorbike all the way from US, came to my village during party season. He surprised me with a motorbike. Man, I can't wait, guys. You know, wherever you are, Monkia, if you're watching these videos, thank you so much, bro. And in case you're new here, my fans, show Monkia some love. Tell him I came from Hello Baby Official. You know, me, I'm just share with you this story. It's a memory by itself, nothing to be hide behind. Wow. So guys, I hope you're ready for this. I hope you're ready for the trip. And this is my leather jacket here. Actually, I love this jacket because right now it's summer season, so outside here it's hot, and this jacket, it's lighter, but it's totally black. It absorbs light, you know. So, but I keep flowing the vibe. How am I going to do? So I'll go around and then take my bicycle. I hope you're ready for this, man. You know, a day like this, no idea. So I decided to ride a mountain bike because it's the way of making exercise, you know, rather than maybe from January to December I'm in a motorbike, and then sometime we eat and then we didn't make exercise, so we gain a lot of weight. So right now I decide to take my bike to mechanic, which is yesterday videos. If you're watching my videos on my last part, you'll see me on the mechanic. So today probably I went there to finish the issues, but it's a small issues, so I need my shock cap, front shock cap, to like praying, like pushing down, up, down, up, down, up. So heading this way. Actually, we have some trees here. I don't know this kind of the post, the importance of this post, but we flow with the vibe, man. Wow. So guys, this is like a road junction. When you go this way, going to Nyabohans, and then meet the tarmac road, going to Migori up to Nairobi. Like, going this way, we can go to border town and then cross to Tanzania, you know. So guys, let me go and take my bike. Actually, it's a beautiful day which God granted us to see a beautiful day in my village here. You see, today the sky is blue. You can tell in the comment section. Wow. So I'm heading to meet my baby bicycle. It's a long time, man. Imagine I bought that bicycle when I was like not like when I was a handman, yeah, getting money from construction, saving a little, and then I bought that bicycle. I'm telling you, it's not my brother's bicycle. My brother went with the bicycle to school, but probably you can tell my brother's bicycle, it's purely white, but mine it's gray, somehow gray. You can tell in the comment section, and it's written here HTLD A Alfina. It's bike fan shop. Guys. And here it's written Tacoma. This is the steering. Wow. I think even the tires have already been finished up. You can tell, no threads, you know. And it's at the back. It's have let me tell you guys, it has 9 gear here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and in the front always is 3 gears. Wow, 3 plus 9, that's 12. I'm telling you, even the rest, something else. Wow. So this is my seat, this is my pedal. Actually it's a metal pedal right here. You see, it's a metal pedal. This way you can put like a water bottle, but right now I didn't have, you know. And it's strong bicycle, guys. And these are brake disc you had, and then inside the rubber have been finished up, back and front, like back and front right here, the same style, you can see. But I'm trying to look those brake disc almost 4 months, but I didn't get in Kenya here. So the guy told me you need to like to make a bookment from abroad through internet. I can get maybe through DHL, and then it arrived at the post office, and then I picked from Border Town. But right now, let me go, guys. Right here, this is my helmet. Actually, this is my sister's helmet. I'm telling you the way it is. Right here. Right here. Okay, this is the handle. And before I left, guys, let me put this down. This is the shock up here. I'm telling you guys, this is the shock up. You see, this is the shock up. So I went for the service for the shock up, and then they will put like shock absorber fluid. I have that on my motorbike, on my pocket. I mean, sometimes, guys, I confused, but all in well, this is the helmet right here. Wow. So guys, it's time to wear the helmet. Hello baby on the control. Or I ride in manual. But guys, if I ride manual, guys, people say hello baby. Let me get out of the of the bicycle. Some people say hello baby. I'm looking at the place where I can. Oh my God, I think right here. Oh my God. I'm trying to place my camera in a good place. Oh. Oh my god. Guys, sorry, just a minute. I think guys, you could able to see me. Or I go random in Border Town. Riding, talking. Guys, are you ready for this trip? Oh, I think to adjust this place, but all in where? Let's. How am I going to look, guys? Look. Hello, baby, on the control. Up to Border Town. Oh, I think this place. Guys, just a minute. I want to adjust. It's touching my neck. Oh, it's because of my hair. You know, it's because of my hair, guys. Guys, what do you think about? Should I go like that way? Because this helmet for my sister is somehow small. I'm telling you. Somehow, this is a helmet right here for my sister, guys. Najifiniria kwa helmet ya dadangu. Hey. For the first time. Me, when it's disturbing me, I think I could go like no helmet, guys, because you will see a little bit on the control. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Watch this trip. It's a trip to Border Town. The bicycle, crazy driving. Oh my god. I'm trying, guys. Trying. You know? It's trying. That's how my video starts for. I'm going at my own pace. Up to Border Town. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Up to Border Town. Wow. It's a trip by itself. Guys, me, I'm driving slowly, no pressure on this. Wow. All my videos, it's a kind of motivated videos. I'm telling you, the way it is. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god. Heading to Border Town. Oh guys, imagine up to Border Town right now. And it's a bicycle at the back, front, keep going. I can put soft gear. Wow. Hey, today I'll maybe change the content. Riding a bicycle. Oh my gosh. Let's go. No pressure on this, guys. I'm telling you. A man can try. Wow. A man can try. Guys, no crying. Today, I'm on a bicycle. Look right here. And it's a gear one. Oh my God. Let's go up to Border Town. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, to be honest, I'm sweating like something else. Oh, right here. Whew. Let me push. As you keep talking, guys. You heard? Let me push. That's my bicycle right there. As you keep talking, man. You know it's been a while. Like I'm telling you, motorbike is only to put like you put on and then your works to accelerate fuel as you keep going. Let's go. I'll take up to Border Town, heading that way. Hey. Wow, this is my bicycle right here. Heading with it to Border Town. Oh, and then after from Border Town I'll go to Nyabohansi right now. So guys, let me try again. Let me try. Maybe to you heard the issue. So I need to try again. Babe. Guys, I need to try. Today's struggle. Wow. So let's go. That I use a motorbike, guys, rather than a bicycle. But all in well, let me make an exercise, guys. You see how my knees moving up and down. Look, look. See, guys, I'm making exercise, man, right here. You see, up and down. Wow. I'm driving at my own pace. Yes. People are wondering, the guy on the bicycle heading to border town. I'm telling you. I know for the haters, they will charge me wrong, no reason. But I keep flow with the vibe to the end. Whoa. Yeah? A cure. I see some kids going like hunting for the birds in the forest. They're wandering. Now Hello Baby is riding a bicycle. It's not something new, something common. Right here you have Achiever School. Like this is the local school that we have here. I'm telling you. Oh my God. Let's go. Guys, sorry yesterday I uploaded my videos too late. Oh my God. Let me see Brother Daiki. Whether he was there. Wow. Push the bicycle. I want to see whether Brother Dag is there, and then going to border town. I was coming from there, heading this way, while pushing my bike. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Oh my God. Hey, Odi! A song? Man, I'm telling you, no one is here. So me, I came to say hello as I go to border town, but Brother Agi is not around. He's not around. Wow. You know, he was my neighbor, but probably I supposed to call him. My phone went off. I'm struggling to pass there. You want? Like kee kee. That's the brake making noise. These helmets, it's somehow something else. But wow, me, I'm ready to go. As long as I'm Floyd vibe to the end, let's go up to border town. So when I'm riding on the tarmac road, I'll make a short videos riding. Oh my gosh. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. I put the soft gear. Like when you put the soft gear, you can ride like from here up to Migori. It's a far distance. Heading this way. Go straight. Heading straight. Yeah. Yes. Oh my gosh. Whew, dust. Dust everywhere. Oh. Dust everywhere. At the same time, guys, I'm heading to, after from Border Town, I'll go to the construction site. Oh. So I'm covering my helmet because it's too sunny here. At the same time, I'm protecting my life. Pole pole. Hello baby on the control. Pole pole. Oh my god. When I'm saying pole pole, I'm riding the bicycle. Pole pole. Heading straight. I think, guys, even it's crazy to bend on my bicycle. It's something tough. But riding a motorbike, oh, you sit and then you go. You sit and then you go. Passing here. Oh, oh. You go straight. Right here, this is a dump site that we have for Migori County, where they throw rubbish. I'm telling you, during daytime it can't smell, but night, man, it's something smell bad. But I'll keep throwing. Let's go. And the good thing about these videos, you're gonna watch until the end. It's the dog right here. You want to enter on the dump site right here. Oh my gosh. I'm almost, guys, to approach the tarmac road, or the main road that we have here. It's all my struggle, guys, you know, and it was my first road trip with my bicycle. Wow. Right there, that's the tarmac. So, something crazy. Right here they cut tax. I'm telling you. You see, even the stuff means people cut tax right here. So guys, I'm on the tarmac road, and when you see the white mark, I will never go there. Probably I'm walking at pedestrian sites, all place. Oh my god, let's go. Fresh. This road, it has some bumps. So you had in my bicycle like pam pam pam. This is the road that connects East Africa. You know, when I'm saying East Africa, I mean Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Maybe Burundi is the part of East Africa, but I didn't know that. Oh. This is a matatu for carrying passengers from border town. Hey, here you go. Let's go. These are huge bumps right here. Wow. That's my dream car. Wow. Woo. That's a tractor which throw rubbish to municipal. I'm telling you. See that car? Wow. Oh my gosh. Let's go. It's my day to ride a bicycle in my village. I'm telling you. But guys, to be honest, bending on a bicycle like that, it's something crazy. I'm telling you. Bending on that, it's something crazy. But a man can try. You know, when I'm saying a man can try, I mean, wow, we have a beautiful house right there. One day to be my dream house. That one right there. Wow. If I could have the motorbike, quick and fast. But I'm keep riding. That's my uncle passing there, brother to my dad. Wow. See guys, how my knees, all my leg coming up and down. See that amazing view. I will never put the soft gear, riding up to the end. Guys, please don't charge me on today's videos. I'm trying making an exercise while filming my videos. Going straight up to border town. Whew. But at night I'll sleep like a goat. I'll be very, very tired. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. But let's go. Let's go. I would never put soft gear. I need to stretch my leg. The normal speed over here is 50, right there. Whew. We almost approach border town. This is Mercedes-Benz truck. Wow. Whew. We have a share right there. Today I'm killing the show. Whew. I finished the hill place. Right now I'm free. On the other side, going deep, that's where I reach height. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's move on. Finally guys, I'm in border town. That's the dog right there. Heading straight, going to border town. Wow. Oh my god. So anyway guys, I need to pause my video here and then ride quick and fast. Guys, this mechanic. Igeuze ufungue hapa chini.
Mimi jua kali. Hapo kuna haya mnione.
Atora mbata kuibogi simangi. Mando. Atika hitenda chintu nikoge. Weka hapo.
Haya na kiti.
Kiti. Kiti hata mwanamke atakuja fue. Sorry guys. Ufungue hapa.
Asa ukifungua hapo sitarani.
Yes, wewe fungua yake mafuta. Alafu ona breki imeshika sana, utaikazua.
Iko sawa, itajua hapo taratibu.
Sawa.
Kuna YouTube hapa ni gani mjanja huko matanda.
Atigana na Fred man, unajua huyu.
Ndio mtala hata miti video sasa.
Hai.
Unaenda kwa hema kwani?
Utazipigia wapi?
Shule umemsaidia nini? Kuposti na kuongea kizungu.
Kuposti. Na wewe kusaidia nini? Kufunga baiskeli.
Yaani hata kuna kitu ipiga pauti na kulipa message.
Tunaekea hapo tu mwangi.
Unaba simokia hapo ile rekodi pia ukikula.
Nimeacha pesa kwa nyumba. Sina simu, mifuko ni fupi.
Mafuta ya leta hapa.
Oh, mafuta. Kamera.
Kanunua mara ya kwanza kalikuwa hapa.
Like sasa hivi kwa 70.
Kwa 70? Bora lazima tujane. 70 bora ni pikipiki bwana.
Sasa hivi kameshuka ni 70.
Haya Amerika kwa expensive bwana. Kwani mbona sio ya jana bwana?
Ya weka hayo.
Oh, ile hydraulic.
Wange.
Sasa ile duku niambie ni moja tena 150 hiyo ni. Hakuna duka nyingine. Aso kera ingine ni kwa huyu fundi wa nani wa pikipiki.
Si ndio nalisha kera du Joseph, hujaimuona naye.
Yeye tena ni 150
kuja mpaka hii ni yangu. Yako na yake.
Sasa fanya nini? Haisi imetosha. Jamani.
Nya kwenda chini mwangu.
Hizo ni ziko Tanzania. Tanzania? Hata wewe zishaanza kukulipa hadi mtu wa baiskeli. Ziko sasa kuduka gani?
Nilinunua nikihasori mjengo.
Yani mama chuo kujenga wanajua hata kushika kamera.
Wewe bwana mimi sio vino. Baadaye nipitishe simokia hapa nitakuwa. Baadaye kidogo. Au utakuwa umemaliza?
Mwangi siweke mafuta yatosha.
Ukipita tu hapo nani?
Mwangi siweke mafuta huko.
Yameshaingia yametosha hayo, imejaa hii iko full.
Maifa kiki.
Wote tutaweka ubari juu. Ubari juu ingia na kwenda huko juu huko.
Huko?
Kwa juu kule tutageuza baiskeli.
Sasa ile mfuniko ingine iliharibika, ukifungua itapasuka. Hiyo ndio inafanya kelele.
Kwa pale hii.
Lakini wengine iko sawa.
Ngoja kwanza niweke hapa kidogo.
Sasa unaniachia leo hata chai bwana.
Labda nikirudi jioni.
Unaweza muulize ni ngapi atakutengenezea basi. Huyo yuko hapo. Paulo. Huyo kijana hapo anakuja mwenyewe hapa.
Something new. Gani? Hivi ni vya kitambo bwana wewe. Hiyo naeko kipampu kisonga.
Yachera soni hapa.
Nenda nirudi. Wewe niwekee mafuta. Taremki simu.
Sasa unajua?
Hiyo usifungwe.
Kama ungenunua sirenji pale. Ungeidunga hapa hivi. Unaona? Hapa hivi unanunua sirenji. Unavuta unaingizia kwa hapa hivi pembeni hapa. Hapo. Inaingia sawa? Okay.
Hiyo huwezi fungua.
Acha na hiyo siku kuingiza kwa hapa, ni kwa hapa hivi. Hata ingine siku ile nilikuwa nimekwama nikaingizia kwa hapa nikabinda na sirenji. Nikaingia.
Siweke basi.
Unarekodi na Kiswahili?
Haina shida. Hata Kikuria.
Hata si nikwambia kutoka zamani kuna kifanya na umanye Kizungu.
Weka huko.
Unaingiza tu kwa hapo.
Si ndio unaweka kifuniko. Na ikakana mwenye kuku. Kwa napaka hapa hivi na finyiri kienda.
Wewe baiskeli ilikuwa umekuja tu kunisumbua. Hata hajaje kutengeneza vile.
Nani?
Wewe leo hajaje kutengeneza. Sijao tumeunda hapa kaunti.
Ukaunda wapi?
Ilikuwa imeshakuwa.
Kaunda wapi?
Jana tumeunda hapa na wewe. Tumeshinda hapa.
Hiyo kelele ndo nashinda ni ya nini?
Nitatulia au sio mashaka. Endesha sasa. Hiyo hii ni machine nyingine umeita. Sio zile springs za huko ndani. Hizo ni spring. Hizo ni spring.
Guys, I'm in Border Town for mechanic within here for making bicycle, local shoes. Haya man, tutaona jioni. Guys, right now I'm heading home after from my mechanics. Oh my god. Heading home, going straight. Guys, I'm back home and the journey was so tough riding a bicycle. It's a kind of a tough thing, but man, remember 3 years without riding my bicycle, and today, you know what, I said I must ride. So my yesterday videos, I take them to the service and all stuff probably, and man, let me put this jacket down. I'm telling you, it's hot right now here. Even I want to drink water right now. Let me see whether my mama prepare inside here. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's so hot. Let me put even the jacket right there. Bruno, you good? This is my Bruno right now here with a chain collar neck. Hey. Mama, she was washing utensils at the same time cooking right here. Mama, unapika nini?
Ndizi.
Oh, they are preparing matoke right there. Oh man. Whew. My African man. Man, I feel to take, like, I wanna bathe, man, right now. Mama, give me water. Man, it's so... Manga ni burungo so to kumandani. Wow. Whew. I'm so hungry at the same time. My mama, she was preparing matoke right there. Wow. This water. Mama, chai mucho ngere. Kwani tegamo?
Kana nchungire mogani.
Yakatenda.
Utanywa manchi tigamo.
Even to drink water. I'm so tired. Wow. This is what I'm calling home, man. This is how our kitchen looks like, our smoky kitchen. You know. So after this, guys, I'm going to bed. It's something crazy, man, at this moment. But let me take water as we go. So guys, let me take you outside. I think in the morning I fetch water from our borehole. Man, God is good. We get water. So right now I wanna take shower, like to bed, man. My bike is right here. I have my bicycle over there. Man, it's by God's grace. Man. Wow. Even water there on sunny. But it's okay. This is water that we have here, man. I'm telling you. It's purely clean. But I realized by the time goes, it will change its color, you know. It's because the borehole is new and all stuff. Man, I'm tired. To be honest, I'm tired. Maybe to ride a bicycle, maybe I'll wake up in the morning, very early in the morning, to ride a bicycle. Even I forget, man, to go at the construction site. But after these videos, I will go. I must go there because I'm a manager, same time I'm a supervisor. So to see the work that been going on there. Hey, our toilet is shining, guys. Oh man. Wow. Whew. Man, it's so hectic, but I'll manage to bed, man. Wow. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. But right now, I came to check whether the washroom are clean. So I'm supposed to take shower right now, guys. So stay blessed, man. We shall meet on the next video. Well, guys, I'm inside here and I want to give my dog the food right here. Hey. Let's give my dog food as they can enjoy food right here. What? This is the food which I brought from hotel. Enjoying. You have remaining of chapati right there. My dog somehow crazy, man. You know? Say hello.
Hello.
Uko poa? Right now my sister, they were being given half term. So full 1 week. Mnarudi ndi shuleni.
Jumatatu.
Imagine, guys. They're resuming back next week on Monday. Look how my dog is eating, man. Eating. You have rice, you have ugali, you have chapati, French fry, you know. So I brought from the hotel So that's the remaining of the food. So I'm trying to give my dog and growing so fast. Anyway, guys, right now I'm heading to my great grandma. I want to greet her as I keep going. We have the tank right now here, but no water. So that being said, it's summer season here. So right now, it's something empty, like empty vessel. Debe tupu alifanya kelele, like empty vessel. Wow. So as I left my dog to eat right now there, so let me go and greet my grandma. This is how my house looks like, man. I'm telling you. Going straight. For my premium again, guys, you'll get my videos right now. Let me put my bike here. Boom. Let me go and see my grandma. She can have basking sun right here. Oh man, it's so hot over here. That's the reason why I'm wearing the vest. Wow, it's so hot, man. Look. Woo. You can't believe. This is my balance stones here. And I'm supposed to add one. Oh my god. I'm supposed to add one tipper, but on another side. So this one here, there is a day I'll spend here. And wow, the river. Wow. At this point, we have the stones right here. You know, right here. These are my stones. Actually, to build my mom's dream house. I'm telling you, from scratch. You will see, guys. I can't wait. So I'm supposed to go to my grandma, but I see a lot of people are there, and for the haters, they have been there. So most of the people don't like to show on camera. So I don't want to go there. Maybe I'll go there next time. So guys, we keep going that way. Wow. That's my great grandma. That's my grandma home, or my dad's home on the other side. Imagine, guys. We're so blessed. My good people, I'm telling you. Oh. Walking through the sun, it's somehow hectic. But after these videos, I'm going to Nebohanse. I want to see how the work have been going on there at the Venus construction site. You know. For now, let's keep walking and show you amazing view of my village. It's very, very beautiful, man. Let's go. I've already planted the maize and beans. We have sweet potatoes vein here, and also it's organic food that we have here. So most of the people in my village here, 90% are farmers. 10% maybe people get government job. 10%, but 90% I'm sure they are farmers. including my mom. They're working so hard in the farm, and at the time I feel like, oh mama, stop it. Oh, it's so hot, guys. I'm telling you, right now it's so hot. I'm wearing my vest and short. Try to imagine. That is me. It's so hot here. Look how the sky looks like. I'm telling you. And on this side here, man, even right now, I think a day you can bet like thrice per day because of the hotness of the climate. Wherever you are, when it's winter, I'm share with you summer season from Africa. And right now, this is the most the part of oceans, like you find there so many people enjoying at this moment during summer season, you know. So when it's hot, people went to the beach enjoying. Man, I can't wait. One day I'll go to Mombasa and then I come to build my mom's house. I'm telling you, that is my big dream. I'll go to Mombasa first, and then when I pull up back home is to build my mom's dream house. I'm telling you. So I'm trying to organize things in order, like collecting materials here and there. You know, guys, this month I supposed to buy like blocks, but you know what, guys? I said, okay, let me try to have the borehole so it can assist or help my mama never going to the river. Actually, my yesterday videos, I show you where my mama fetch water. It's a walking distance by itself. You can't imagine. And mama she can go there like 5 times from morning up to evening. And mom, wherever you are, thank you so much for supporting me to have the tank. I really appreciate. But right now it's summer season. No rain right now, guys. So the tank is empty, and by God's grace we have water from the borehole. Man, try to imagine. Even on my yesterday vlog, I surprised my mason, like taking them to the bigger restaurant, eating the food, because for me, I'm appreciate the work that be done to my home. It's by God's grace. And I said, you know what? Let me spoil them. And I do it free from my heart. Nobody tell me like, hello baby, do it. No. I'm just do it free from my heart. And that's how I normally do things in order. Wow. So I left them in good way. I said thank you. They went in border town, but when I'm trying to cement it, like to construct my borehole and cover everything, I'll call them again to remove like the remaining the remaining of cement that going inside the borehole. So I'll call them, you know. Maybe let me try this week and see, because small amount that I have, I share with them. And right now I'm remaining with 120 USD, so to complete the payment. But to be trustful and honest, people can trust me, I'm telling you. Like the guy who dig my borehole, imagine, guys, from 0,000, I told them, you just dig, and when I get money, I pay you. Like on I think last week on Friday, I pay him 5,000, and then on Monday, which is on my yesterday videos, I paid them 10,000 Kenyan shillings. So right now I'm remaining with 15,000 to complete. Imagine, to complete. So the payment was 35 Kenyan shillings because the borehole went deeper, and per feet goes to 700 Kenyan shillings. Imagine, equivalent to $6 per feet. You know, 1 feet, $6. Imagine. Oh, guys. So on my today's vlog, I supposed to go and greet my grandma, but I see most of the people who don't like camera. I don't want to go there, like to complicate issues. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video heading to the Virginia construction. It's been a while. Wow. Guys, right now I'm heading to the site. Wow. Kids are rolling tires right there. Wow. Let's go, guys. Up to the video construction site. I want to supervise, you know. Wow. Oh my God. You know, guys, in the morning I was riding the bicycle, and right now because of time I'm using the motorbike. Oh, we keep going, man. Guys, subscribe to my channel, man. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I'm fully outside, heading that way, man. Wow. Look at the people building, man. Here, let me say, less than 10 years, this village will be something else. The police post right there. You know, that's near hands. See, guys. Wow. We're heading this way, and right now it's summer season. You can see, guys. I'm almost to approach Nyabohanse. What a good day, man. Oh, the tipper is sleeping here, waiting for the material. Let's go. This is Nyabohanse village for you. I'm telling you, man. It's growing, man. Kids are riding bikes right here. Guys, direct to the construction site right now. At this moment. Oh my God. Kana mrarego huku nikumbushe. Sasa si nilikwambia nikumbushe. Oh. Sawa. Thoughts to be hanging around. Oh guys, this is how Nyabohanse looks like. Wow. Oh guys. Whew. Anyway guys, the work is going on. Even the curing of the pillars. Wow. There's a drum here having water. It's cold. Ooh. I have a wheelbarrow here. Wow. Yeah. I'm good. The kazi na songa songa. Haya. This is what we call curing of the pillar. Wow. Babu. Nakuona. Haya. Alright. Foam work is going on, man. Wow. There's a staircase right here. see guys, these are staircase. Vondo mnazitengeneza? Man, some steps. 1, 2, 3. What? Wow. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's video, guys. So we shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow. And I didn't understand which video is coming tomorrow, guys, so stay tuned, man. So bye.